I'm Ben Coates with Coates Homes. Welcome to my house. What's reality and what's not on TV today?
One quick example would be the decision-making process. On TV, you would often see a designer just present, tile and paint colors, and the owner immediately loves it, let's go with it. Our clients, they want to be able to select what they like and what fits with their lifestyle and not just what's handed to them on a pretty vision board or mood board. I always get a really big kick out of someone's doing a kitchen remodel and they'll say, 4 weeks. Things don't typically work out in weeks for us. This is much more custom and longer project, and we want to make sure every detail is right.
Maybe they are doing things in weeks, but what they're not showing is a year's worth of design, prep work, assemblage done off-site. All that work is being done ahead of time.
Whereas our stuff is highly, highly customized.